He's all right.
It's okay.
Just got to get the feel of the accelerator. Slow. Stop! Oh, God.
That thing is legend. I
He's going to end up in the pond in a minute. No! Flip the heck! Oh, jeez.
I like it. Oh, that was so close.
Out the way. Out the way, Isaac.
Don't do that again! That thing goes so fast. We're on the dirt track. We've got to go on there later.
Out the way, Isaac. Isaac! He's panicking. He's panicking.